The petitioner is engaged in the business of shipbreaking at Alang district, Bhavnagar stop. In the course of its regular business, the petitioner sells materials to various parties from time to time, and its purchasers at times pay times by their own checks drawn on their own bank, or at times the checks are obtained from other concerned persons with whom they may have transactions. Stop. The petitioner is concerned with realization of the sale price, whether the payment is made by one mode or the other. Stop. The petitioner's accounts are audited under the Income Tax Act as well as under the Companies Act. Stop. Stanza. The search was initiated under Section 132 of the Act in the case of Messrs. Mahindra S. Saha and Hemant C. Saha and their group concerns. Stop. These persons are not in any way connected with the petitioner, and the petitioner does not have dealings with them by way of sale of goods or even otherwise. Stop. The said persons bracket hereinafter referred to as the raids bracket close are engaged in the business of finance in the name of their various concerns, but the petitioner had not received any check issued by them at the instance of the purchasers of materials from the petitioner or even otherwise. Stop. It is further averred by the petitioner that the raids might have been made deposits with the petitioner, but such deposits are by check, repayment is by check, interest payment is by check. Stops. The petitioner had deducted the tax from interest. Stop. It is also the case of the petitioner that the deposit, interest payment, TDS and repayments are all shown in the books of accounts of the petitioner, and that the petitioner has no other dealings with the raids. Stop. Stanza. All the transactions such as deposits, interests, payments, TDS and repayments are duly and correctly recorded in the books of accounts of the petitioner, which are audited, and these are the on 15 transactions of the petitioner with the raids. Stop. The authorities have not come across any books of accounts, documents or assets belonging to the petitioner which would indicate that the petitioner had any undisclosed income. Stop. The condition precedent for applying Section 158 BD is not satisfied. Stop. Stanza. Search and seizure action was carried out in the case of Sri Mahendra Himtala Shah and Sri Hemant C. Saha, Bhavnagar, under Section 132 of the Income Tax Act on 17/12/1999. Stop. During the course of search proceedings and consequent inquiry, it was noticed that both these persons had opened bank accounts in several names, and by using these bank accounts They would deposit cash received from ship breakers at Alang and thereafter would pay check against the cash to such ship breakers and in the bargain earn commission up to 15% stop over.